Step one, go to your, Home Depot or the fucking flea market or your neighbor's fucking goddamn garage if you don't want to spend any money. Get yourself, a good, decent piece of shit fucking door handle that'll bolt in. I mean, it is what it is. Step one, get the handle. Step two, get the case of Lysol. Step three, drink case of Lysol and get neighbor to put fucking door handle in because bucket would get pissed. But all seriousness now, let's see if we can put this son of a bitch in here, eh? I think it looked pretty good in that fucking vacant hole. Yeah, should be pretty good. Okay, we're gonna fucking put it in now.